Hi everybody! Today's episode 1438 features video snippets from Paul Joseph Watson, Wildfires, also an update from Sidney Powell. Plus from Andrew Klavan, DOGE, and wrapping up with USA Watchdog, Embalmers. Highlights begin today, January 10, 2025, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss this great lineup.
Help keep free speech alive. Please join my Locals community for exclusive content at dailynewsupdate.locals.com. Simply click the join button below.
From Paul Joseph Watson, The Truth About the Wildfires.
From Jovan Hutton Pulitzer with Sidney Powell, what did we learn and what comes next?
From Andrew Klavan, These Bureaucrats Prove Why We Need DOGE.
And from USA Watchdog, Embalmers Keep Finding Fibrous CV19 Clots with Tom Haviland.
Don't miss this great live stream with Murtech on Rumble tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for all your support and may God bless. Oh, by the way, don't forget to follow me and click the thumbs up button. Thanks again.